What's up, guys? Welcome to Woodward weekend. We are here at the new SEMA Garage Detroit. If you guys aren't familiar, SEMA Garage provides a ton of prototyping, testing, validation, stuff for us in the aftermarket to create quality products for everybody in the marketplace. We're super excited to have this place here in Detroit now. Used to be the only one was in California. Now we've got one right here in Motown, so we're excited to use it. We're going for a tour today. We've got a spot parked up front, so we're super honored to be representing SEMA as SEMA members and being here at this grand opening. So we're gonna give you a quick walk around and hopefully be able to show you what's going on the inside as well. So thanks for tuning in. We're inside. SEMA Garage Detroit is insane. Definitely something we'd like our shop to look like. But if you can't tell already, the vibe in here is amazing. Everybody from the aftermarket here, people from PRI, SEMA, General Motors, Ford, everybody who's in the industry is here, and it is worthwhile. And as you guys will see, the new Z is behind us. It's interesting to see that up front. We haven't seen one yet. And what's right there, Dusty?
Something cool.
The OG. Another amazing car. So we're just kind of surrounded by everything. It's sensory overload. Let's keep walking through and show you guys what. This is the installation bays. One of, I think, 12 bays they have here. It's a little overwhelming.